Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Annalyn, and today's vlog is about another nice home in the Philippines that I'm going to have a review and show you about this beautiful house in Cebu, Philippines. But before that, I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all fathers and enjoy your day. So let's move on to our topic. This house is a two-story house. It's a beautiful brand new house. So two-story single attached. The lot area is 154 square meters. Floor area is 183.4 square meters. And it has 3 bedrooms and 1 men's room, 3 toilet and bath, 2-car garage, and more. We have the pictures right here is the whole building. So this is it right here, the whole building, and it's, for me, it's a nice house. The design, the structures of the building, I love it. Very nice home. And the next picture that we got here is the bedroom, and there is a bed right here, right there, that you can see the bed and the window. And the next one is the toilet room. There's a toilet there and mirror, sink. It's a nice toilet. And the next one is I think this is I'm not really sure. I think this is another room. It's just empty room, but it's beautiful room. Like the design of the room, of this room. And the next one is the look like a kitchen. I'm not sure. Yeah, because there is a counter there in the middle. I mean, it's like a bar style bar in the kitchen. Yeah, our house here is, there is a bar. The next picture, you can see the door. This one is the entrance door. Looks like is the entrance door. As you can see, the stairs going up. Beautiful house. Very nice. And the next one is just the outside, the driveway area. And there is like a small porch that you can see outside from the second floor. Yeah, and I think that's the room. I'm not sure. You can see the door, and it's a small porch though. This house, beautiful house, you can just ask me, and there are some more details in the descriptions. You can check it out if you are interested in and more information, more details to this home. Just check the descriptions below. And here is our verse for today that I'm going to share with you today. And again, I am using this book, Jesus Calling, that I love to read every day. This is about the devotions for every day of the year by Sarah Young. It's beautiful passage, beautiful book to read every day. It's a spiritual. If you are thirsty or longing for a spiritual life, because we need to feed our spiritual life every day, not just physical but also the spiritual, the most important in our life. So this is it. It says, I speak to you continually. My nature is to communicate, though not always in words. I fling glorious sunsets across the sky, day after day after day. I speak in the faces and the voices of loved ones. I caress you with a gentle breeze that refreshes and delights you. I speak softly in the depths of your spirit, where I have taken up residence. You can find me in each moment when you have eyes that see and ears that hear. Ask my spirit to sharpen your spiritual eyesight and hearing. I rejoice each time you discover my presence. Practice looking and listening for me during quiet intervals. Gradually, you will find me in more and more of your moments. You will seek me and find me when you seek me above all else. Beautiful passage, and this is from the book of Psalms 8, 1 to 4, and Corinthians and Jeremiah. So that's all for today, and I hope you like everything that I show you today, the house and the passage that comes from the Bible. And next time I will show you, I am thinking to here in Florida, I like to go and look around about the houses here in Florida. I love the house there in Florida too. There are some beautiful homes here. Maybe I will make a video about moving to Florida. There are some home ideas. If you are planning to move in Florida, you can watch my video. Maybe me and my husband, we like to go inside and go to the community and just review some homes, look around and go inside, ask the prices and the kind of house, the style of the house. Excuse me. We enjoy doing that. Since I got here 2010, that's one of our relaxing time to find some house and just see what kind of house in that community. There are some mobile home, RVs, or if you like just the regular house, there are some too. There are some beautiful house here in Florida. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless everyone. Bye.